Can you guess what food is coming? Can you help Papa guess? Let's see what happens. Can you guess the food in this book? The hungry caterpillar thinks you can. He's very hungry and wants to eat. It's round and sticky. I wonder what it could be. Oh, it's a lollipop. Yeah. And it's pink and it's juicy. This is pink. Let's see. Oh, it's a slice of watermelon. And it's yellow and stinky. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's cheese. Some cheese has holes in it. It's green and tangy. Let's see. Oh, it's kiwi. And it's frosted and sweet. Oh, it's chocolate cake. And it's red and crunchy. What could it be? Yes, it's an apple. Yeah, cheese, chocolate cake, kiwi, watermelon, lollipop, and apple. Yeah. We guessed the foods, didn't we? We did a good job. See you soon.